Let's talk about this wig. Okay, so before I even open this package, guys, I want to tell you guys how specific I am about my wigs. And I'm a hairstylist. If you guys didn't already, I'm a hairstylist. I'm based in Miami and I specialize in sew-ins, lace wigs, frontals, closures, everything lace. And I need for when you get a wig on your head that wig sits on you properly. I've had a lot of problems in the salon where people's wigs will come down too far and then they'll start kicking back out here. I like my wigs to sit down just straight in front of the hairline. That's one thing. Then also the lace on that wig has to be right. Like as a hairstylist, I have customers of all different complexions, and as you guys as consumers, you guys have all different shapes, colors, and all of those different things. It's really important when you're looking at your skin complexion that the wig has lace that is light enough and transparent enough and thin enough to be able to go on anyone's skin and melt right in. So that's gonna be like one of the first things I look at when I open up this package. Then after that, I look at like the quality of the hair, how soft does it feel, and then all of those things. And also I look at the size of the knots. Like I don't like when I get a wig in the mail and then the knots are like super duper huge, because that gives you more of a wiggy kind of a look. When your knots are really small, that's when it gives you like that, oh my god, is that even a wig? Oh my god, like melted. It gives you that moment. So